We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Chief Meteorologist Aaron White joins us once again, and it sounds like we have a little rain in Rochester. You know, this rain this spring, it really, my grass looks glorious, but I have to mow all the time.
Yeah, I know. It's been so much rain here the last few weeks, and, the lawns are really growing, which is a good sign, after being in a drought. But, yeah, kind of annoying when you have to mow all the time. But we are tracking more rain here for tonight, so hopefully you mowed the lawn earlier today because we are looking at heavy rainfall, Cami, as we go through tonight and tomorrow. Already tracking a few storms on the radar map. Let's zoom into a couple of them. They're starting to really flare up here in the last hour or so, stretching from Albert Lea to Rochester, where we have some heavier rain on the north side of the metro. And one of the stronger thunderstorms right now, that is just to the west. This is affecting parts of Dodge County. They're near and just north of Hayfield. Starting to see a lot more lightning showing up there, and it is growing in strength, and it is going to be the storm that we will have to watch as it continues to grow and develop here over the next 30 minutes to an hour. So areas near and north of Hayfield, central and eastern parts of Dodge County going to want to watch the storm closely. That includes Casson and even western portions of Olmsted County around Byron and even Rochester. Going to be watching that storm closely here for the next 30 to 45 minutes. Another storm southwest of Albert Lea. This one is also growing in strength. Nothing is severe right now, but that could change here over the course of the next hour. We're watching this area highlighted in red for that potential of severe weather through this evening and tonight. Again, right now, no severe weather warnings are in effect, but that may change here in the next hour or so. And then tomorrow, we're tracking more severe weather in the forecast with potential for even a few tornadoes. Damaging wind gusts are going to be the highest threat as we go through tonight and tomorrow, but also potential for some hail as we're tracking a level 2 risk for severe weather here tonight for pretty much the entire area. Southeast Minnesota, Rochester to Austin, Albert Lea, Mason City included in that. Tomorrow, though, it actually increases to more widespread potential of severe weather as we have a level 3 risk across basically the entire area once again. And more so for tomorrow, we're looking at that threat for damaging wind gusts with a few tornadoes as well. And the threat even gets higher the further south you go. So tomorrow's going to be a day where you really need to pay attention to the weather and heed any severe weather warnings that are issued for your location. So let's time it out here on Sky Tracker 3. Next few hours, we got showers and storms developing across southern Minnesota and a few into north Iowa as well, even around Forest City, Mason City, and Northwood. Going to continue to see these develop and grow in intensity through the next several hours as we get closer to midnight. Showers and storms rolling through, and then it becomes a concern for heavy rain as we go through tonight and tomorrow, in addition to that threat for severe weather as we get into the afternoon and evening hours here for your Tuesdays. Still tracking showers and storms even through 10 p.m. on your Tuesdays, so it's going to be an all-day situation with showers and storms, and then heavy rainfall here as we go through tonight and tomorrow, with many of us picking up between 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So flood watches are in effect as we go through the day on Tuesday. So we are tracking severe weather here tonight and tomorrow. We'll have the latest on any severe weather that develops as we go through this evening and tonight. 75 for a high tomorrow. We'll see drier conditions and a little bit more sunshine as we wrap up the week here by Thursday and Friday.